Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Kraken. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the Kraken application. And then from here, all we have to do is go to the bottom right section where it says Crack. Now from here, it's going to send us to the wallet section, which is continued by Kraken. It's going to be the same account, so all you have to do is click on Checkout Crack. And then from here, as you can see, you will have your currencies that are already in your Kraken app and also any currencies that are on this wallet. It's the shared wallet, so it's going to be the same. All you have to do is from here, go to the plus sign on the bottom middle section. And then from here, you're going to see a button that says sell. Click on it. And then from here, you're going to choose whatever cryptocurrency you might own. So for example, I own some Vine. And then from here, you're going to decide how much you would like to sell. So for example, $1. And then from here, click continue, and it's going to show you how many fees it's going to take from it and how much you will receive. Click on confirm. And then once that is done, it's going to be quick and easy. And as you can see, it's success. So from here, once we go to our wallet section, now you can see that we own $1 of normal USD and the rest is in Vine. And as you can see, once that is done, we have our balance, which is USD dollar and then Vine. And the USD, you can just transfer it to your bank account or you can withdraw it or whatever you would like. And from here, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.